Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials so we don't chase ghosts. First, make sure the server process is running and Java matches the server build. This prevents protocol mismatches. Next, identify whether you're using a local IP 192.168.x.x or public IP. Set server IP only if binding to a specific address. Also check server properties to confirm the port is 25,565 and watch the console until it prints done. That proves the server accepted binds and is ready for the next steps. Once done with the basics, configure the network so other clients can reach you. Set a static IP or reserve via DHCP for the server, then add a port forward entry on the router. Forward TCP 25,565 to that static IP. Make sure the OS firewall allows Java or explicitly allows TCP 25,565 inbound, otherwise the router forward will hit a block. Finally, test externally using Telnet or an online port checker from outside your LAN to validate the port is actually reachable. To finish, confirm name resolution and client settings so the server shows as online. If you use a domain, point its a record to your public IP and allow propagation. Otherwise, tell players to connect with IP 25,565. Flush local DNS caches in Minecraft, cache on clients if stale records persist. If the server still won't ping, inspect server logs for bind errors, check whether your ISP uses carrier-grade NAT, and try a different external port, mapped to 25,565, as a last diagnostic step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.